How to use Amazon Flex support. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Amazon Flex support. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in support Amazon Flex USA. Then here, scroll below until you find Amazon Flex US. Tap open it. You will be land onto this page. Here, scroll below. At the bottom of the page, you will see questions. Please contact our support line. You can see the number. You can directly contact them at this number. They are daily available between 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. PT, and that is how you can contact them. And in such a way, that is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.